Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Luke here over Pine Acres RV in Moncton. I am super excited, not because it's 9:30 in the morning and I'm on my fourth coffee. I'm excited about this 2021 Forest River Wildwood 36VBDS. This is a family unit, bunks in the front, an awesome master bedroom in the rear. The exterior is dirty, just arrived from a long haul. Outside speakers, place to mount your TV right there. Ta-da! Oh, let me go show ya. Those are the strong arm stabilizers. Prep for backup camera. Slide number 1, master bedroom. Slide number 2, that's your lounger and your dining table. Okay, outside looks good. Let's go take a look inside. Power awning, LED lights, 39 feet long, tip to tip. Weight is around 8,600 pounds. Fireplace, which is throwing out some nice heat. That's where the bunks are at. Here's a sofa that turns into a bed. There's that lounger. Please take a look at the videos that I'm going to post up on the bottom right hand corner. You'll see how that folds out. Dual sinks, oven, 3-burner stove, microwave, a residential style Whirlpool fridge. Hello, pantry. Huge. Love that big window. Bunks. All right, kids. This is where you're staying. All right, so double bunks down low, and that folds into a couch. Check out the pictures. That is your screen door for the outside door. All right, bathroom up next. Here's a shower, skylight, fan, lots of storage here. This here is exceptionally deep. Yeah. That is not a ceramic toilet. This here, yeah, that's a medicine cabinet like that. Door number 3. There's the other door for the outside. Here's the master bedroom, and as you can see, we get a slide here. That is a queen bed, and there is room on both sides to put a king size if ever you choose to upgrade. Great spot there for another TV. And that's a generous closet, no doubt. Okay. I think that's it. We've seen it all. I don't think this is going to last very long. 2021. Awesome. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. That is in Canada. See you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751. Or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.